So this is the front of the Simon Pearce collection of buildings. Restaurants, glass-blowing museum, shop, and the like. And give you context as to where we are. More than likely, you'll be coming in on a coach down that road and across the bridge. We ended up obviously pulling our coach over there into that parking lot and having our guests use the crosswalk and walk up to the front. And there's actually two entrances. The very first one, which is almost right at the corner of that building, is just the shop. If you want to go to the restaurant, you actually go up to where that sign is, and you'll see a sidewalk that'll bring you to some massive medieval looking black doors, and that's the entranceway. And what else? You've got some nice walkways here to allow people to go over the bridge. And in the back end of the glass blowing shop, which you can actually get to from inside, as well as down below. They have an entranceway down below as well, right there. And then a little bit off through here into the back is another observation platform. A lot of people have been hanging out. So that is Simon Pearce on the outside. Parking option if you don't want to park down there. If you're coming from this direction, you can pull up off to the side, drop passengers off, and have them walk across to that main front door. This is the interior of the Simon Pearce flagship store. Just walked in through big black doors. Obviously reserved seating there. There's also an upstairs dining room, which is where our group is at the moment. We have a bar off to the side here, as well as some individual tables, and then a shop. And that sign that says seconds in sale, that's where the bathrooms are. Good size, numerous stalls. We have the glass blowing. This is the direction that you would get to access the work in progress. Huge workshop. Go back up the stairs. Steps. And then on this side of the bridge, right behind the cars being parked, there's also a beautiful scenic area. You have a lot of people enjoying that.